Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the World Dawg shooting. That's one of your favorite entertainers. Because at this point, he has to be classified as an entertainer. Because that's what he does. He provides great entertainment to the people of Ireland. A highly acidic court jester. He gets shot in a fire than him friend did. Beamer shot up, body found in a back seat. Remember, say for bad mind, scammer, artists, politicians, and all kind of people. Kind of hard for the team sometimes. And because technically him kind of coming like a vlogger, and I'm gonna really like get entangled the whole vlogger madness. But here it is. I'm gonna tell you about World Dawg and why I'm not surprised this happened to him. Before we go into that, for a Patreon birthday shout out, this one goes out to Philip Bailey Sr. coming from Philip Bailey Jr. See them style there? Right, when you hear everything, husband shout out wife, wife shout out husband. Right, girlfriend shout out boyfriend, boyfriend shout out girlfriend. Friend shout out friend, father shout out son, son shout out father. It's a straight family Patreon squad deal. Family and friendship and community. Love to see it. Philip Bailey Sr., big up yourself on your birthday. Your son rate you highly. Some look up to you as a top man, a real top man. Cause this is what it means to be a top man, in my eyes. Jamaicans talk about top man when them see you with certain clothes and boots and them things, and them here say, "Are they done for on this up?" This is my idea of a top man. Your first hero should always be your father as a youth. Cause when time youth start look up to DJs and look up to the Dan and them people, a society get where the duck get. Both Philip Bailey's, big up on yourself. We don't have to say another word. World Dawg. The Ironman, the Irish Saxon has to be studied. Telling us the money can't save them. Money can't help them. When youths are acidic, no amount of money, no amount of Beamer or Bent can save them. You see, World Dawg is a youth where knee deep in the acidity. Them almost kill him already. He is directly involved in the war between Teletubby and Ramos and Bad Breed and them man there. Them almost kill him in I see him Florida. He narrowly escaped with him life. Went back to doing same old madness. I'm telling you, I really say at this point, World Dawg I guess you have to just call him an entertainer. Very talented court jester. Some people just born to be court jesters and make other people laugh. You can't teach it in a school. You can't train them. You can't, even if you try to copy it, it don't come out the same. That's just who he is. Everybody know a youth like World Dawg from school days where just everything them do, everything them say, it just come across hilarious. And then they used to call them the class clown. You know, so when it comes down to being great entertainers, Iron Man not short of that. That's how Iron Man produced in record numbers. Most entertainers per capita. If a one thing Iron Man not short of is entertainment. If only Iron Man people could build and create and innovate like how they entertain, the world couldn't stop Iron Man. If only we produce great thinkers, great minds like how we produce entertainers, the world couldn't stop Iron Man. But the guy is a gifted court jester, you can't take that from him. But an acidic court jester. People are talking about, we need to pray for World Dawg and pray for this and pray for that. Go pray for the pitting them down at children, you vile Irish Saxon. Pitting the dead down at children every day. And then they're interested to pray for them. People who have never lifted a finger and harm a soul. Take sick every day and the Irish Saxon, they're interested to pray for them. For them prayers reserved to who make them laugh and who give them tune. World Dawg make him bed and him lie down night. When him come out of the hospital, tell him say look YouTuber that bad man. To even pretend like World Dawg is just some youth caught up in, like a victim of circumstances. A badness them on the truck. Entertain all day and quasi 87 a night. Make up on the mind, youth. Make up on the mind. You don't realize no matter how much money they make, from the mindset is acidic, this is the end result. Them tell us say once you make money, then there's going to be peace and love. And that is unicorn meat. Me say, Uncle Sam News, I show a video clip, Beamer shot up. From the parking lot, things get spooky, shot fired. When they look, they can't find the car. Then they eventually find the car. So World Dawg bridging at the back seat, laid out. Well, he wasn't sleeping. Or at least not the type of sleep where you wake up back from. He was dead. Then after that, them say them adult black male turned up at the hospital suffering from gunshot wounds. That's World Dawg. So them are going to look for suspects and look for that. A Friday them day you don't know it already, so more than likely, once police start pressure man, you know say me want to start call. Because they must all everybody born out in farmer, you know say. All of them people are really in farmer, right? That's why I see them get themselves in some situation. Sometimes I say, no, they can't come out of that in done for. Next thing you know, you see my road. No explanation. In those days, they say, no man, a true God look out for me. You know what I'm telling you what going on. No one tell you say my farmer. They make it go on like me alone I ain't farmer. I know me alone I ain't farmer. We're all in this together. One big happy informing family. What can satisfy the quench that is inside the Irish Saxon? Money cannot fill the void inside the Irish Saxon to them live in peace. It cannot. No amount of money, clothes, boot, jewelry, car, house, it can't stop them. Because what is driving the Irish Saxon is not tangible. It is culture and mindset. You cannot put your hand on it. Beamer and Benz and them something they can physically touch them. They are tangible. Money is tangible. You can touch it. But what is driving these Irish Saxons is an acidic culture and mindset. That is why you cannot make sense out of it, because you are telling yourself that he might do much better than you. He might live much better than you. And you not go on so. So why them not go on so? Because you don't understand the driving force behind it. Culture and mindset, and them carry it everywhere them go. These Irish Saxons not only destroy Jamaica, but if they go to somebody else's country and then farm a community where there is more than 4, man gone dead for sure. Let me see that one more time. These highly acidic Irish Saxons, not just happy with causing much war in Jamaica, but all the time they go foreign and they move in our community where there is more than 4, somebody going dead for sure. Clean clothes and dirty art, but then put on treat. So I guess big them up same way, cause that's what really matters in life. You know, how much treat you put on and how much public displays of charity. That's what really shows you who is a quote unquote good smaddy. How much massive public displays and PR campaigns you can put on. World Dawg make him bed and him lie down at night. Now Jamaican people, cause they're entertained by World Dawg, even though them still the acidity, you know. But their quest for entertainment is greater than their quote unquote values. So even though them tell us that anybody who involved in any type of crime, police don't shot them and kill them. Anybody who involved in this and all these rules they are making of people who can't entertain them. When Jamaicans say them tired of this and police don't shot gun, man, anybody who mix up in the badness is dead, they're not talking about people who can entertain them, because that is the opium of the people, the new opium of the people. Entertainment. Therefore, entertainers have become divine beings. When you worship entertainment, the entertainer becomes your God. I don't know if you're listening to me. When you worship entertainment, The entertainer becomes your God. Entertainment is now the religion. The Church of Latter-day Court Jesters. The Tabernacle of Sheep. Roll Dawg look like him a go survive. So when him touch back the internet, you know it go already. If he go live, he go full of people. And you go hear say, a God save him. They might tell you say God love Roll Dawg more than the pit them younger children were dead that day. That's why he make them dead and Roll Dawg live. That's what them are going to tell you. I just couple days ago, I see videos that go around with Roll Dawg in an Iron Man, you know. Because you know, everybody posts the same video them. So I see video go around on the timeline. I see Roll Dawg in an Iron Man on stage. And I say, oh, I want to go on an Iron Man, you know. Then next minute, I say Roll Dawg get shot in Florida. When I tell me I wonder if it's a different Roll Dawg, because I said in an Iron Man him there. Look like he's jet setting. People that talk about the war go hot and war go hot and war go hot. Remember which pound of day? Remember which pound of day? And nothing would make Uncle Sam happier than sending a couple Irish Saxton to death row. But it up to Uno. Do what you want to do. I don't want to man some bad mind them for them war. But spare me the sad story and the request for prayer. If me go kneel down and beg if somebody get spared, it can't be people like your favorite entertainers. Me have go kneel down and beg for them innocent people and children who never harm a soul yet and I suffer. Might need them too old right now for kneel down for DJ and entertainers and court jesters. There's nothing worse than a supposed tough guy getting hurt and all of a sudden everybody want this kumbaya moment. I have never seen nobody from the Taliban or the Mujahideen or the Hezbollah. Them man decide say, yo, a gun thing me depend. And if me get shot challenging the IDF, then I saw it go. Me go be with whoever me believe in. Iron Man them say, yo, a gun thing depend. As they get hurt, man want hold hands and kumbaya. His mother want beer hug. I go light candle. One time I used to have 9 days. Now you have every day. Now you have candlelight 3 days. You have 1 day. You have 5 days every day. Man, every day them have sitting. People have dead so much that them start invent new days. The 9 day wasn't enough. Now Irish Sax and Negroes have 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Dog, how much day is it? Me have to go at 10 things. Man dead, one time when a man dead, you go to 9 night. You go to set up and you go to funeral. Or you might just go to set up boy and you go to funeral. You go to funeral boy and you go to set up at 9 night. Right now you have to go 10 things. From in dead the very next day. 1 day. We go group together and light some balloon. Push garden of the year. Then you have 3 days. Alright, bring some candle. Then you have 5 days. Alright, bring some red stripe and jerk chicken. Every day these Irish Saxons find something new. They're obsessed with death. It's not enough. I tell you, this our culture will make life for fun, will take life for fun. So since you don't take life for fun, toughen up, bro. People get shot every day, B. There is nothing worse than a tough guy getting what happened to tough guys and then in friend them and family don't want to kumbaya. No, dog. I'll do kumbaya for Jasmine Dean. But don't tell me about no kumbaya and pray for no man who just with the attack wicked like him as Sylvester Stallone. Like him is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Schwarzenegger, Irish Saxon Negro. Tough, right? Bandage up your wound them and jump back on live and give a joke them, dog. Because they not learn. And when all time people say, who can hear will feel. That's what them fans must tell them. But them fans not tell them that them fans. Their sycophants are making them sound like young Daniel Rowe or Gabriel King. And they're not. These are vile Irish Saxons. I see from the crown of them head to the sole of them feet. And if they come out and make one video about Roll Dawg, man, they say, yo, you're a bad mind, man, too. She can go to the and get the Bimo and the Benz. And she can't buy none. We're going to talk about this, talk more. But then now the same people them know, when the end result of what World Dawg push and support, when the end result of the lifestyle that World Dawg dibble and dabble in, come back, come bite him, and I tell you they must go down for your knee and pray for him. Your heroes are dopey bat. Your heroes are acidic demons. Most of the idol them, acidic demons. Demon hall puppets. Now talk about war go start, war go start. But you must think of Salt Spring on the day. That's exactly what Uncle Sam wants. The Jamaican community will go to war. So they can finally enact some things they want to enact and deal with them. Especially in an election year. When time there's already talks to them and let in too much this and too much that. Give certain man an excuse to turn upon one, when they go and know who to serve. People get shot every day, B. World Dawg tough, right? He'll be alright. He'll be back on live any minute laughing, making jokes. See him think that. And I'll be back to bad minding scammers and artists and making up things to get views. Because I might think that. Everybody has them think. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.